style and height will be 40, and border bottom color will be colors dot gray 100, and border width will be 1. Okay, border bottom width only. Okay, like this. Let's increase the height little bit more. Okay, so this is our text input, and I will say it. Let's put it inside a view, and we will style this view giving it a margin top of 10. Okay, email or phone. Now let's just copy this one more time, and it is for password. Let's save it, and password, and we have the password. Let's go inside this. Let's give it a margin bottom of 10. Okay, email and password. Okay, so the keyboard, there is something called keyboard type. So by default the keyboard type will be default. So okay, keyboard type will be by default default. Okay, so I will say keyboard type KT. Keyboard type by default it will be default. Okay, default KT. Okay, so for password you need to do a security text entry. If I save it, it will be like a password. Okay, so you have to like pass one more pass secure. Let pass it secure. So by default it will be false. Okay, I will say secure over here. So by default it will be false. So whatever we type, the text will be visible. But if this password, this will be secure equal to true, it means that it will be a password. Okay, for last step we need to do this remember me and learn more. Okay, so let's make a view one more time. I will take a text which say remember me, and remember me dot, and for learn more I will copy this text and I will paste it over here and say it learn more. Okay, now let's just see it. Okay, so over here we will say flex direction raw and align items will be center. Okay, now let's give it a little bit margin top of 5. Okay guys, so now we need a forgot password, so I will copy the same thing over here and paste it over here. Margin top will be 10, and I will say forgot password. Okay, now question mark. Let's also give it a font weight of 700. Okay, forgot password. Now let's just make a button over here. So button will be also come in a touchable opacity, and it will also have a on press. I will say console.log, and I will will say button pressed. Okay, now it is a continue. Okay, now the text will be white, and height will be, I say, 50, and background color will be color dot primary. And now text align center. Okay, so instead of giving it a height, I will give it a padding of 10. Okay, 10, 15 is good. Okay, now let's style this thing and say margin top of 10, and border radius will be 30, so it will be fully round. Okay, now you can press it. Okay, now let's quickly change our icons. So let's download the icons. So here we have apple. So let's download this, and then we have Facebook. So let's download this. Then we have link. Okay, so for link I will use okay, I will use this one. Now free download. Now let's copy these three inside our asset. So this and this, copy it, paste it over here. For apple I will say only apple link Facebook. Okay, now let's come inside our code. That will be link, it will be Facebook, and it will be apple. Okay, so as you can see guys, our sign in screen is successfully completed. I hope you like this video and learn a lot from this video, but if you have any confusion you can ask me in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. And till then, take care and have a good day.